You got highlights, you spent good money. It looked amazing walking out the salon. Then 3 weeks later, orange, yellow, brassy. So you bought purple shampoo. You used it religiously, left it on longer, tried different brands, still not working. But it's still not working the way you expected. And you have absolutely no idea why. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Fixing brassy hair has nothing to do with expensive products or popular brands. It's something else entirely. It's pure color science. And once you understand it, you will never waste money on the wrong product again, ever. Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a makeup artist use a green primer on red skin? Stay with me here. Someone with really red, irritated skin, if they apply a green color corrector underneath their foundation, and the red skin disappears completely, the foundation goes on and the redness is completely gone. That's color theory. And your hair works the exact same way. Green and red sit directly opposite each other on the color wheel. Everything about fixing brassy hair starts right here. When two opposite colors are placed on top of each other, they cancel each other out, they neutralize, they simply disappear. This is the exact same principle that fixes brassy hair. Your brassy tones are just unwanted colors sitting on your strands. Every single brassy tone has an opposite on the side of color wheel, a color that cancels it out completely every single time. Yellow and gold tones, their opposite is purple. Purple cancels yellow. That is why purple shampoo exists and actually works. Orange and copper tones, their opposite is blue. Blue cancels orange. That is why there are two completely different toning shampoos. This is why purple shampoo was invented, not because purple is trendy, because of exactly where it sits on the color wheel. Every time you use it, you are depositing tiny purple pigments directly onto the yellow areas of your hair. And the yellow neutralizes. I use Wella Indigo Cool Blonde Professional Grade, made exactly for this, link and code below. But here is where most women go wrong. If your brassiness is orange, not yellow, purple shampoo does almost nothing. Blue does. This is why so many women say purple shampoo doesn't work for them. It works just not on orange tones. If you have orange tones, you need blue shampoo, also called anti-brass shampoo. Best options are linked in the description below. Before you spend a single dollar, identify exactly which type of brassiness you have. The fix is completely different depending on your specific tone. Yellow and gold is one fix. Orange and copper is another fix entirely. Yellow and gold tones show up mostly in lighter blondes, platinum, ash, highlights. Orange and copper tones show up in darker blondes, brunettes who lightened, or box dye users. Your hair looks noticeably orange, copper, or rust color, and it is most visible around the mid-lengths and ends, not at the roots. Quick test, take a photo in natural daylight, no filters. Look at your mid-lengths. If it pulls gold or yellow, purple shampoo is your fix. If it pulls orange or copper, blue shampoo is your answer. Simple as that. Now here's something almost nobody talks about. And after 28 years in the chair, I promise you, this changes everything for blonde hair. You can use the perfect purple shampoo, you can tone correctly every single time, you can follow every step exactly right. But if you have hard water coming out of your shower, and most people do, none of it matters at all. Your brassiness will come back within weeks, every single time, no matter what products you use or how carefully you follow the routine. Hard water contains high levels of minerals, specifically iron, copper, and calcium. These minerals are the enemy of toned blonde hair. Every single time that hard water touches your freshly toned hair, those minerals land on your strands and they stick there, and minerals oxidize. That's a chemical reaction that happens when they are exposed to air and water, and you cannot stop it. Oxidation turns those deposits into warm, brassy orange and yellow tones, created directly on your hair by your own shower. This is especially brutal with well water or older pipes. The fix is simpler than you think. A shower filter, around $20 to $30, attaches directly to your existing shower head. It filters out iron, copper, and chlorine before the water ever touches your hair. Minerals get trapped, only clean water gets through. Without a filter, brassy within 2 weeks. After toning every single time, with a filter, your tone stays for 6 weeks or more. I've tested and linked the best shower filter options at every price point. All right, you know the science, you know your tone. Now here's the complete step-by-step system to fix it and keep it fixed for good. Step 1, and I cannot stress this enough, install your shower filter before you do anything else in this entire routine, because there is no point carefully toning your hair if your shower water is just gonna put all that brassiness straight back in. 2 minutes to install. No tools, no plumber, and minerals are blocked completely before they can ever touch your freshly toned hair again. Step 2, choose your product based on what we identified as your specific tone. This is not one size fits all. It never was.
Yellow, gold tones.
If your brassiness is yellow or gold,
Purple
you reach for the
shampoo.
purple shampoo. That is your weapon for this specific battle. If your brassiness is orange
Hi,
or
let me
copper,
show you this
you
amazing
reach
new
for the
shampoo.
blue shampoo.
It has a beautiful,
Both
nourishing
options
formula.
are linked in the
It will make your
description
hair
below.
so soft and
Step
shiny.
3 is
It's
application.
perfect for daily
And this
use.
is genuinely fair, where most women go wrong with purple shampoo and never figure out why it isn't working. You cannot lather and rinse in 2 minutes and expect results. The pigment needs time to physically attach itself to the hair strand. For mild brassiness, leave it on 3 to 5 minutes. For moderate brassiness, leave it on 10 to 15
Platinum
minutes.
hair warning.
For severe
Watch
brassiness, go up to
closely
30
after
minutes.
15 minutes.
But platinum hair, watch it closely after 15. Left on too long, it can turn gray or purple. Step 4, follow with a hydrating conditioner every single time you tone. No exceptions. Toning shampoos work hard and they are drying. Apply conditioner from mid-lengths to ends. Skip the roots. Leave 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with cool water to seal the cuticle shut. I have linked the best conditioners for color-treated hair at every price point, from drugstore to professional grade, in the description below. Step 5 is about maintenance. Use your toning shampoo once or twice a week maximum, not every single wash day. On non-toning wash days, use a regular, color-safe, sulfate-free shampoo. Overusing toning shampoos makes your hair look dull and ashy over time. Step 6 is the one that takes your results to a completely different level, the toning gloss treatment, once every single month. The Wella Color Charm T18 is the most searched hair toner on YouTube for a reason. It works consistently every single time. For a glossier, more luminous finish, the Wella Indigo Top Coat Gloss is incredible. One single treatment and the difference is immediately visible, both linked below with my Wella code. Professional grade products at a discount, the link is right there. Let's recap the complete system. Shower filter first, right shampoo for your tone, correct timing, condition after every session, maximum twice a week. And once a month, a toning gloss for a deep tone reset and serious shine. That is the complete professional system done at home. Brassy hair is not a hair problem. It is a color science problem. And now you finally know exactly how to solve it. The color wheel does not lie. Find your opposite, cancel the brassiness out, protect your water source, and your hair stays exactly where it belongs. Every product I mentioned is linked in the description. Personally tested with 28 years behind every single recommendation I make on this channel. Drop a comment below right now. Is your brassiness yellow or orange? I read every comment and I want to know which fix you're trying first. Hit subscribe and the notification bell for a brand new professional hair secret every single week. I am just getting started. Hair boss at home, 28 years in the chair, know your hair, grow your hair. I will see you in the next one.